Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. First, establish a clear study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time, perhaps 2 to 3 hours, to each subject. This structured approach helps ensure you cover all material without feeling overwhelmed. Next, divide your study content into smaller, digestible chunks. This makes complex topics seem less daunting and improves retention. Finally, collect all your resources like notes and textbooks before you begin. This preparation sets a strong foundation for effective learning. To truly master your material, engage with it actively. Try recalling information from memory before checking your notes. This strengthens your brain's ability to retrieve facts during the exam. Explaining concepts out loud, as if teaching someone, helps clarify your thoughts and reveals areas where your understanding might be weak. Additionally, tools like flashcards or mind maps are excellent for connecting different ideas and visualizing the overall structure of the subject. Optimizing your study habits is crucial for sustained performance. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours each night, is non-negotiable for memory consolidation and overall cognitive function. Furthermore, staying well-hydrated and consuming nutritious meals will provide the consistent energy your brain needs to process and retain information efficiently. On exam day, a quick review of key concepts is helpful, but avoid intense last-minute cramming, which can increase stress. During the exam, read all instructions thoroughly and allocate your time strategically to each section. After the exam, reflect on your performance to identify areas for future improvement. And hey, for a smarter way to keep your study space tidy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.